Let us now move to the next definition, which is equal vectors. Equal vectors, as the name explains, are the vectors which are having equal magnitude and same direction, right? For example, if I say that a body is moving from A to B, right? In this case, the vector associated with body 1 is AB, and I say another body is also moving along this direction 2, then the vector associated with this will also be AB. Let me represent this as CD, for example. So in this case AB is parallel to CD vector, or we can say AB vector is equal to CD vector. This could be easily understood if we imagine the situation that two parallel railway tracks and a train is moving over them. In that case, that track gives you the direction, and those vectors associated with the movement of that train is representing the equal vectors. Now second one is unequal vectors. We will not say it unequal, it is negative vectors first. Negative vectors. Why we are saying here negative vectors? Here we are talking about same direction. When a vector associated with a body 1 is in opposite direction to another body 2. For example, if we talk about body 1 is moving from A to B, so vector associated with AB. But if it returns back from D to C, then associated with this is along this direction, that is DC. Right? In this case we can represent as AB is parallel to DC vector, or AB is equal to minus of CD vector. So here CD is representing the negative of AB vector. So such vectors are known as the negative vectors. If I give example for this is, suppose if I say a body is moving with velocity 5 meter per second, right, along this direction, and then it returns back and reaches to this position with the speed 4 meter per second. So in this case, these two velocities are representing a negative vector of each other. Next, if we talk about the co-initial vectors. Co-initial vectors. Co-initial, as the name explains, co-initial means co means at the same moment, initial means starting point. So when two bodies are moving having the first one common point, such vectors are known as co-initial vector. Or we can say when the vectors are having initial point common. For example, there are two friends A and B, both are at the house of C, right? Now they want to go to their own houses, so A start moving along this path and B start moving along this path. So both these vectors associated with them are, what are that? Let we represent as CA and CB. So CA, if I say CA vector and CB vector are co-initial vectors, right? Next is our collinear vectors. Now what are these? Collinear means means same, linear means along a line. So if I say about these two vectors are along the same line, so these are collinear. If I say one vector body is moving in this direction and another body is moving in this direction, this is again collinear, because both are acting along the along a straight line, same straight line, either in this direction or in this direction. No doubt this vector is negative of this vector, but these two vectors are collinear vectors, right? If I say that this is AB and this is CD from where? Let me write it clearly. This is AB and this is, suppose this is CD, right? So AB is negative of what? CD. Negative of CD तो इधर ही है ना, CD. Here if I give the name uh, CD, like this, right? It is collinear to AB is collinear to CD, but AB is negative of CD, right? AB is in this direction and CD is in that direction. DC, actually this is DC, so CD is negative, so AB vector is negative, but both of them are collinear, acting along the same line. Next is coplanar vector. Coplanar vector, as the name explained, coplanar. Co means same plane. Suppose this is the plane of paper, and if two vectors are associated with this A and B vector, A and B vector, then A vector and B vector are the coplanar vector. Now to understand this, for example, if I say that an insect is crawling over a floor, on a floor, right? Now the vector associated with it is two vectors, that is, it is moving along horizontal direction also, and every time its vertical component is changing, right? Two vectors basically associated with it. So such kind of motion in which two dimensions of an object are changing are known as, and if the vectors are associated with them, are known as coplanar vectors. Similarly, if we talk about the localized vector, localized vectors. Localized vectors are those vectors whose initial point is fixed. Initial point is fixed. We have studied it earlier also, don't confuse with that. Co-initial and localized. Co-initial means whose initial point is common, right? Here initial point is fixed. What does it mean? For example, if we talk about the displacement, right? In case of displacement, a body A is moving from A to B, right? So its initial point is fixed, means the person started from A and reaches at B. It can reach at any other distance also. The shortest path we can find out, but its initial point is fixed, so this is known as localized vector, right? And similarly, next one is non-localized vector. Non-localized means whose initial vector is not fixed, initial position is not fixed, right? In that case, for example, if I talk about velocity, in this case, if body is moving along, suppose A to B, it can change its velocity at any instant of time, so its velocity vector is not fixed at fixed position. So such vectors associated with it are known as localized vector.